Hi, this year, why not try this decadent chocolate Christmas pudding? We're going to take 60 grams of plain flour, 120 grams of dark brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of cacao powder, 150 grams of breadcrumbs. We're going to take 100 grams of dark chocolate chopped, a little bit of xanthan gum, a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon and mixed spice, 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 3 tablespoons of arrowroot. And now we're going to mix the dry ingredients together. 100 grams of chopped dates, 350 grams mixed pill, 4 tablespoons of brandy, 2 oranges juiced and the zest of 2 oranges as well, 60 grams of vegetable oil and 80 grams of water. And then stir it all together and we're going to steam that for an hour and a half. Now that's a decadent sweet treat fit for any Christmas table this year.
Nexium Control. One pill a day could give you 24-hour protection and a heartburn-free Christmas. Talk to your pharmacist today.